Are you ready for an unforgettable summer adventure? Picture this. You are encompassed by breathtaking landscapes that are nothing short of a painter's canvas. Look around and you'll see mountains that touch the sky, rivers that glisten in the sun, and forests that are a haven for the most diverse wildlife. The scenes are so picturesque, they seem to have leapt straight out of a postcard. But that's not all. The vibrant culture of Colorado is a sensory delight. It's a place where historical legacy and modern trends coexist, creating a unique backdrop for your adventure. Whether it's the lively festivals that echo with laughter and music, or the quaint museums showcasing the rich heritage, Colorado culture is something that you'll carry with you long after your trip ends. No discussion about Colorado is complete without mentioning its delectable cuisine. From farm-to-table meals that celebrate local produce to innovative dishes that redefine culinary boundaries, Colorado cuisine is a food lover's paradise. Each bite is a melody of flavors that tells a story of the land and its people. We're talking about the one and only Colorado. This gem of the United States is not just a state, it's a state of mind. Each bend, each path, each site is a fresh experience, a new memory waiting to be made. It is a place where dreams are realized and adventures are lived. So, are you ready to see what's in store for you? Pack your bags, we are embarking on a virtual journey to Colorado. Can you imagine the tranquility of pristine lakes surrounded by towering mountains? This is the essence of Colorado's breathtaking nature. Envision standing at the foot of the magnificent Rocky Mountains, their peaks piercing the skies, snow-capped even in summer. Their expanse runs from British Columbia to New Mexico, with over 50 peaks in Colorado alone, each rising over 14,000 feet. These ancient sentinels stand as a testament to the Earth's age and resilience. Further into the heart of Colorado, the Great Sand Dunes, the tallest in North America, rise. These sandy leviathans are in stark contrast to the verdant Rocky Mountains, yet they too teem with resilient life. Colorado also shelters a rich array of wildlife, with over 400 bird species, 75 mammal types, and a multitude of reptiles and amphibians. Visualize catching sight of an elk grazing, a bighorn sheep navigating the slopes, or a river sliding into a clear stream. Amidst this wilderness, you'll discover tranquil bodies of water. The state holds over 2,000 lakes and reservoirs, each reflecting the beauty of the sky and landscape. Imagine yourself on the shore of a tranquil lake. The only sounds are the water's gentle lapping and a loon's distant call. Nature truly outdoes itself in Colorado, doesn't it? From the towering Rockies to rolling dunes, from the diverse wildlife, the serene lakes, Colorado is a haven for those who value the unspoiled beauty of our world. But Colorado isn't just about the great outdoors. It's a tapestry of vibrant cultural scenes, the colors as diverse as the landscapes. Whether it's the big city vibes or small-town charm, the state has it all. Colorado's culture, an intriguing blend of past and present influences, will undoubtedly capture your attention. Local festivals, featuring everything from music and film to food and craft beer, occur throughout the year, ensuring there's always something to pique your interest. Denver's thriving music scene offers an eclectic mix of genres, satisfying every musical taste. For art lovers is a paradise, with contemporary galleries dotting Aspen and the creative districts in Reno. To delve deeper into Colorado's culture, visiting historical landmarks and museums essential. Mesa Verde National Park, home to ancient pueblo and cliff dwellings, and old gold rush towns represent the state's rich history. The History Colorado Center offers a glimpse into Colorado's past, from its indigenous roots to its mining heritage. The Ute Indian Museum pays tribute to the original inhabitants, the Ute people, showcasing their history and contributions. And let's not Colorado's literary culture. Renowned authors like Ken Kesey and Catherine Lee Bates found inspiration here, contributing to the state's vibrant literary scene. Regardless if you're absorbing the local festival atmosphere, enjoying live music, admiring art, or exploring history, Colorado's cultural landscape is a treasure waiting to be discovered. In Colorado, every corner is steeped in history and culture. After all that adventure, you must be hungry. Colorado, a state known for its culinary expertise, provides a unique blend of flavors that are hard to find elsewhere. Here, farm to table is more than just a catchy phrase. With farms and vineyards scattered across the state, local, fresh ingredients become the cornerstone of the Colorado dining experience. Imagine biting into a grass-fed steak or a salad with veggies straight from the garden. Colorado also excels in creativity, with dishes like the Pueblo Slopper, a cheeseburger smothered in green chili. Along with food, Colorado's craft beer scene is impressive. With hundreds of breweries, beer lovers have a wide range to choose from. The state offers tours and tastings to get an insight into the brewing process. However, if beer isn't your preference, Colorado's wine scene, situated in the Rockies foothills, offers award-winning wines. Regardless of whether you're a food enthusiast, a beer lover, or someone with a daring palate, Colorado's culinary scene is a sight to behold. From farm-fresh ingredients to innovative dishes, from craft beer to fine wine, Colorado's food and beverage offerings are as diverse as the adventures that await you in this state. In Colorado, food isn't just sustenance, it's an experience. Now imagine all these experiences in one summer adventure. Picture a summer journey in Colorado, where each day is a chance to explore and experience the extraordinary. Recall the breathtaking landscapes, the majestic mountain peaks, the beautiful meadows, and the dynamic rivers that define the terrain. Each view is a living masterpiece, changing with the day's light and the season's whim. Who could forget the state's vibrant culture? The music, festivals, and art that together narrate stories of history and future aspirations, connecting us to Colorado's soul. Then, the cuisine, a gastronomic adventure that delights the palate. From fresh farm-to-table meals to hearty mountain dishes, every meal is a celebration of Colorado's rich harvest. The sizzle of a grilled steak, the crunch of fresh vegetables, the sweetness of a locally crafted dessert, the flavors that echo even after the feast. But it's not just about the sights, sounds, and tastes. It's also the feeling of the sun on your skin the thrill of seeing wildlife, the warmth of a friendly chat with locals, and the satisfaction of a well-cooked meal. These are the moments that make a summer in Colorado memorable. Each experience tells a story, your story of adventure, exploration, and indulgence. A story of a summer well spent, of memories made, of a fondness for a place as wild as the spirit it nurtures. A summer in Colorado is truly a feast for the senses, isn't it? So, are you ready to add Colorado to your bucket list? Picture yourself on Colorado's grand peaks, engulfed in awe-inspiring nature. Visualize diving into the rich cultures that shaped Colorado, with their intriguing traditions and mesmerizing narratives. Envision indulging in Colorado's unique fusion cuisine, a testament to its diverse heritage. It's not just a destination, it's an adventure. It's a chance to reconnect with nature, to learn, and to tantalize your taste buds. Whether you're a thrill seeker, a history enthusiast, or a food lover, Colorado caters to all. Consider Colorado for your next journey. Its captivating landscapes, vibrant culture, and delicious cuisine promise an unforgettable voyage. It's an invitation to explore and experience, to embark on an adventure that enriches your understanding and creates lasting memories. Remember, the best adventures are yet to come. Before we part ways, if you found this exhilarating trip across Colorado's breathtaking landscapes and vivid cultural experiences to be enjoyable, we'd greatly appreciate if you could extend your support by clicking on the like button. It would mean the world to us. Your endorsement helps us to bring more such virtual journeys to you. Also, don't hesitate to become a part of our growing community of travel enthusiasts by hitting the subscribe button. This way, you'll never miss out on any of our adventurous journeys. And here's another thing. If you could share this video with your friends, family, and fellow travel aficionados, it would mean a lot to us, and it would help us reach more like-minded explorers. We believe in the power of sharing experiences, and we're sure they would enjoy this journey as you did. We're also eagerly waiting to hear from you in the comments section. We're curious to know which intriguing fact about Colorado left you spellbound. Aspect of this beautiful state captured your imagination? Your feedback provides us with insights that help us curate better content for you. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable journey across Colorado. Your companionship made this virtual trek more worthwhile. Remember, every journey is a new story, and we're thrilled to write these stories with you. Until next time, keep exploring.